Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a window fill the screen by dragging it to the top on Mac. So macOS can automatically resize a window to fill the available desktop when you drag them toward the menu bar at the top, as you can see here. This gives you more working space without requiring to manually resize every side of the window. This behavior is different from traditional full screen button. The window fills the desktop, but it does not necessarily. This behavior is different from the traditional full screen behavior, as the window fills the desktop, but it does not necessarily enter a separate full screen space in the same way. So if you'd like to use this drag to fill feature, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And here in the right side pane, scroll down and find Windows section. And here make sure to enable the toggle right to drag windows to menu bar to fill screen. And that's it. And from now on, whenever you drag a window to the menu bar, it will instantly appear a preview of the window and it will go in full screen by using the space on your desktop. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.